Hey you guys, it's Courtney here for your Canva Tips and Tricks series. Enjoy! All right, so for curved text, what I want you to do on your computer in Canva is go over to text on here, and then we're just going to add anything really, it doesn't matter. We'll just make this bigger. We're not going to change the text because you know what it is you want to write. But we'll leave that as add a heading. And then at the top right here on the bar, you're going to click on effects. We're going to scroll right down to the bottom and you will see curve as an option with shapes. So as you can see, it is now curved, but you also have the option if you continue to scroll down, you can change how much it's curved. So you can change it in the opposite direction, you can curve it a little bit, but really that's all there is to curve, you guys. So I hope that helped you. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel to get more Canva tips and tricks. I'll see you around for next video, guys.